Did you know that the internet weighs something? It's true. All the moving electrons that make up the data zipping around the globe have mass. Scientists estimate the weight of the entire internet is about the same as a single large strawberry. Isn't that wild? A world of information, videos, messages, all weighing about as much as a piece of fruit. It's one of the many incredible things about this network we use every single day. In this lesson, we're going to take a journey behind your screen. We'll explore what really happens when you type in a website address, how information finds its way to you from across the world, and how your browser puts it all together. Consider it. So, what happens the moment you type a website address like www.science-is-cool.com into your browser and hit enter? Your computer doesn't actually know where to find science-is-cool.com on its own. It only understands numbers. Think of it like this. You might know your friend's name, but to send them a letter you need their street address. The internet works the same way. It needs a numerical address to find anything. Your browser's first job is to find that address, so it sends out a request to a special kind of internet phone book. This digital phone book is called the Domain Name System, or DNS for short. The DNS is like a massive, super-fast lookup service for the entire internet. When your computer asks, "Hey, where can I find www.science-is-cool.com?" the DNS server springs into action. Its sole purpose is to look up that name and find the corresponding numerical address that computers understand. It's an incredibly quick process, usually taking just a fraction of a second. The DNS finds the right numbers and sends them right back to your computer so it knows exactly where to send its request for the website. Once your computer gets the numerical address from the DNS, it's ready to ask for the website. This numerical address is called an IP address, which stands for Internet Protocol Address. Think of it as the specific street address for the website's home, which is a powerful computer called a server. Your computer now packages up a small request for the website. This request is broken down into tiny pieces called packets. Each packet is like a single postcard, containing a small part of the overall message, along with the destination IP address and your own computer's return IP address. These packets don't all travel together. Instead, they are sent out onto the internet's vast network of connections. This network is like a massive global system of roads and highways. Your data packets are the cars, and they are trying to get to their destination as quickly as possible. They travel from your home router, through your internet service provider, and out into the wider world. Along the way, they encounter special devices called routers, which act like traffic cops. These routers look at the destination address on each packet and direct it along the best possible path. The journey can be quite complex. A packet might travel from your house, through a local exchange, then zip through fiber optic cables buried under the ground. It might even travel through massive cables laid across the ocean floor to reach a server on another continent. The routers are constantly making decisions, sending packets around busy or broken parts of the network, just like a GPS might reroute you around a traffic jam. This system ensures that even if one path is blocked, your data can find another way to get through. It's incredibly resilient. The server collects and reassembles these packets to understand your request. To send the website back, it needs your computer's unique IP address, which acts as a return address for the data. The server gathers the website's files, breaks them into packets labeled with your IP address, and sends them back. Your computer reassembles them, and your web browser gets to work. It's like a construction foreman. HTML provides the blueprint for structure, CSS adds the design, and JavaScript brings interactivity with clickable buttons. The browser combines everything to build the complete web page in seconds. Here's a fun fact. Over 99% of international data is transmitted through massive fiber optic cables on the ocean floor. Often no thicker than a garden hose, they carry the world's emails, videos, and websites at nearly the speed of light. So, to recap, your computer sends a request in packets across a global network of undersea cables. The server sends the website back, and your browser assembles it all in seconds. The internet isn't a cloud. It's a physical marvel of engineering. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more.